British supplied drones have destroyed more than $1.2 billion worth of Russian military equipment in Ukraine, British officials say. Our collaboration is having a tremendous impact on the battlefield, added Shaps. Britain has provided more than 4,000 drones to Ukraine since Russia launched its full-scale invasion, including 30 different types of drones. Among them are surveillance drones, which he said were capable of overcoming Russia's very capable air defense system in Crimea, and medium-sized drones that have supplied generators, food, water, and ammunition to Ukrainian forces on the Dnipro River. He also mentioned one-way strike drones that demonstrated their superiority, and drones that guide artillery and missiles toward Russian targets. The British Ministry of Defense announced it would send an additional 10,000 drones to Ukraine. Military aid package worth $413 million. Drones have played an important role in the war in Ukraine, and both sides rely heavily on them. Ukrainian drones are thought to be responsible for destroying 2/3 of Russian tanks in the conflict, causing damage to Russian oil depots and causing Russia to lose 1/3 of its Black Sea fleet. Ukraine announced that it is creating a separate military branch focused solely on drone warfare.
Yes! Woo!
Britain, along with America and other countries, has supported Ukraine in its drone warfare efforts last month. Shaps said he hoped to speed up production of a new high-tech laser weapon, dubbed Dargonfire, which was originally scheduled for use in 2027, so Ukraine could use it against Russian drones.